welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how I make my black soap, my DUDU OSUN black soap. Stay tuned. So we'll need our grater to grate the soap, and the soap is made up with palm kernel oil, shea butter, aloe vera juice, lemon juice, and some other beneficial products that is good for our hair. So I'll be using the smaller part to grate the soap. So here is the soap, as you can see. So now I'm just going to transfer it into a bowl. Now I will be adding warm water to cover the soap. So I will be stirring it so the soap will dissolve. The oil I will be using is castor oil. I will be putting 2 tablespoons of castor oil. Castor oil helps to smooth and nourish our hair, and also help to straighten the hair at the roots and keep the scalp healthy. Almond oil. So I'll be using almond oil also. Almond oil helps to condition the scalp and also softens our hair. It has a high amount of vitamin E. So I will be putting also 2 tablespoons of almond oil. Next, I will be using my Amla oil. Amla oil prevents and treats dandruff and dry scalp, and also reduce premature pigment loss from hair. It also reduces hair loss. So I will also be using 2 tablespoons of Amla oil. We'll be using is mustard oil. Mustard oil is high in omega-3 fatty acid. It reduces inflammation on the scalp. It also helps to improve hair root health for stronger and thicker hair. I'll be using also 2 tablespoons of this. So the next thing we're going to be adding is vegetable glycerin. Glycerin helps retain scalp moisture and promote growth. So I will be adding 2 tablespoons also of glycerin. Using peppermint and lemongrass essential oil. Peppermint oil helps promote growth and also increase blood circulation on the scalp. And lemongrass oil is effective for dandruff treatment. So I'll just be adding a few drops of it. I added 15 drops of peppermint oil. And also 15 drops of lemongrass oil. So now mixing everything together. So now I will be covering it with my kitchen rag. So I'll cover it like this and leave it overnight. You can leave it for 2 days also, or you can leave it for 2 hours. I'll be leaving it overnight and let it stay for like 10 or 12 hours. For like 10 hours, I'll leave it for 10 hours. So you can leave yours for 2 days or a day or just 2 hours. Anyhow, it's perfect. So this is the next morning and my soap is ready. I'm just going to unwrap it. And now I will just stir it to mix everything. Everything has already dissolved, but I'm just going to mix it. I'll be transferring it into this can with my funnel. enter the first bottle. I'm transferring it into another smaller bottle. There is still a remainder. I'll be using that one to wash my hair and store these ones in the can in the fridge till when I will wash my hair again. The shampoo is ready, guys. Thank you all for watching this video. Please, if you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. But seek ye first the kingdom of God and his righteousness, and all these things shall be added unto you. Matthew 6:33.